What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the in-game FM26 editor for PC Game Pass. So first of all, open your Xbox launcher and then go to the search bar and type here Football Manager. Once you type it, then multiple options will be shown here. So as you can see, this is the add-on of Football Manager 26 in-game editor. So select this add-on from here, and in case you wanna use in-game editor, then we have to firstly purchase this add-on. In my country, this is how much it will cost me. For you, it might be different. Now once you purchase this add-on, it will be ready to use in your game. You don't have to install it separately. It will be automatically installed on your game. So basically this is an add-on of in-game editor, and once you buy it, then just go over to your game and then start playing your game, and the option will be available. So let me show you where the option will be located. Firstly, select settings from here. After that, go to preferences. Then we need to switch over to detailed. Now under your word, scroll down to the bottom and you will find an option of show in-game editor in menu bar. So make sure that this option is checked in order to use in-game editor. So this is the whole process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.